I've got chicken and I've got bacon, and that means today I'm making bacon wrapped chicken out on the Weber Kettle using the Vortex. How can you not wrap chicken with bacon when you've got a whole bunch of bacon to use? So that's what I'm going to be doing today with some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. But first, I have to get a barbecue glaze mixed up. The ingredients for this glaze, very simple. We're just going to use a regular old Kraft barbecue sauce. I'm going to put maybe a cup in here, maybe a little more. I'm going to add maybe a quarter cup of some blue agave syrup. And to give it a little bit more flavor, what else? Some South African seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. I love this stuff. I've used it, I don't even know how many times in previous videos. I'm going to grind some up here into this mixture. And we're just going to mix this up. It's going to be sweet and tangy. Maybe on the sweet side. That's okay. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that's good. Got that smokiness and the sweetness there together. That's going to work really well. So here I've got a couple of these boneless, skinless thighs that I'm going to show you how I'm going to make these with the bacon wrapping around them. First thing we want to do is turn them over. Get that inside facing up. This is where the bone was in here. We're going to take some of this glaze mixture and brush the inside. Then we're going to roll these back up to a little package like that. Kind of tuck any loose pieces in. There's a little bit of fat on there, don't worry about it. Fat is flavor. Now we're going to take some bacon pieces. We're going to lay them out here. And we're going to brush a little bit of the glaze on this side. We're going to take these pieces of chicken. We're going to put the top side down. This is that seam where they sort of came together when we rolled them up. And we're just going to take our bacon, wrap it around. That glaze is going to help it stick to the inside. You're going to turn it over. We're going to give the bacon a little glaze on top too. This is what we're looking for. I'm going to set this aside and do another one. So we have our bacon pieces here. We're going to glaze them. And we're going to take our little chicken package, turn it with the seam side up, bring the bacon around, wrap it up. I'm going to turn it over. Remember, if the bacon slips out, you can always tuck it back in. I'm going to put a little glaze on the top here. I'm going to finish up the rest of these and then I'll meet you out at the Weber Kettle. Okay, the kettle is approaching 450 degrees. It'll heat up a little bit more once we open this up and get a burst of oxygen in there. But it's time to get these bacon wrapped chicken thighs on. Give this a quick brush down. Vortex is nice and hot. Start arranging our chicken. If the bacon slips a little, I'll survive. These are going to be good. All right, time to get the lid on. Let these cook. Temperature's coming up quickly. We're almost to 500 degrees after that burst of oxygen and taking the lid off. We'll check these in about 20 minutes. It's probably not going to take any more than 20 or 30 minutes total. All right, we're about 20 minutes in. I want to check this and see how we're looking and maybe take a temperature reading. I think it's going to take a little more time for it to get crisp, but I want to take a temperature reading of the chicken right now. The chicken still has a little bit to go. I'm going to give it 10 more minutes and then give it another check. All right, the extra 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Full disclosure here. You see that guy over there? I wanted to see if I could turn these around. And well, I dropped that guy and his bacon came off. I don't want you to feel sad though. I gave it a Viking funeral in the center of the Vortex. It went out with a glorious puff of flame and smoke. So we have 1 naked chicken thigh there and 7 bacon wrapped chicken thighs. Let's give this a final temperature check because I think we're going to be good. Oh yeah, we're good. 162, 163. Yeah, we're good. All right, I am going to attempt to take these off without the bacon just flying everywhere. I didn't want to use toothpicks to hold it in, I just wanted to wrap it. So I'm going to be very careful here. All right, let's see. Get under. All right, I'm going to get the rest of these off and I'll see you inside. Here are our bacon wrapped chicken thighs -1, the one that we lost in the process. Saved the thigh, lost the bacon. These took approximately 30 minutes total. That glaze just came out beautiful on it. Gave this bacon such nice color. And the smell coming off it is great. It is absolutely 100% time to taste. All right, I am going to cut into this little guy right here. I'm worried that the bacon's going to come off, but you know what? It's all going to go in the same bite anyway. Oh, look at that. Very nicely cooked. Got that nice dark thigh meat in there. Oh, this looks good. All right. Now it's really time to taste. There we go. Nice piece. Semi-crispy bacon, but how do I like my bacon? Floppy. It is at AFS, acceptable floppy state. So here we go. Oh man. That glaze underneath the bacon and on top of it, killer. And you just can't beat thigh meat. The amount of flavor in this with the fat, it holds flavor really well. It takes that glaze. Let's be honest, it has bacon on it. It's gonna be better because it has bacon on it, but everything works here. The thighs, the glaze, the bacon. Now, if you wanted your bacon crispier, you could par cook it a little bit first before you wrap it around the chicken. You know how I like mine, floppy, so this is perfect to me. The trick with doing this out on the kettle is not making the mistake I did. I wanted to try and turn the pieces, so I tried with that one piece. The bacon hadn't set yet. It was too floppy. I know bacon can be too floppy sometimes. And it just slid off into the abyss. Moment of silence. But we saved the thigh, and that will be enjoyed tonight. But don't make that mistake that I made. Let that bacon set around the thighs. It takes about half an hour if you're cooking at that temperature, which was about 400 degrees. But once that bacon sets and is wrapped tightly around those thighs, perfect. And as far as the glaze goes, you can use anything you want in that. Barbecue sauce is a good base. You could use honey if you don't want to use agave syrup. You could use maple syrup if you didn't want to use agave syrup. It's really just about getting some extra sweetness into that barbecue sauce so that you get that nice shiny glaze. And on these bacon wrapped chicken thighs, I really think it's the glaze that elevated these. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to check out some of the other videos on my channel and consider subscribing. And if you do, click that bell for notifications. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great evening. I'll see you again soon.